Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So we originally sold this car from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It's got full service history with Howard's. Features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. It also comes with 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got half leather interior. The touchscreen features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with a speed limiter, and the car is just £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 110 horsepower. It's done under 18,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. Thank you.